All right, so yes, here let's do the isopropyl chloride. This number 9A. How easy can this be? Okay, isopropyl is so easy because remember we just put our propyl like this, and we put our iso going up. So we can just put our iso going up. This connection is where the chlorine is going to be. Then this is going to be isopropyl chloride. How easy is this? Because we know that for iso it will be right at the middle. We have our propyl 1, 2, 3. Then it is connecting on the middle guy. That is where the thing is connecting, and you have your isopropyl. So this is the isopropyl chloride. We can put it like this. And remember now, when you name it using the IUPAC, you now have to tell us the substituent is the Cl. So we know that there is 1, 2, 3, 3 carbons. So this is going to be propane. So it's going to be propane. But on the second one is where the chloro is. So this is going to be 2-chloropropane. So it's a chloropropane. It's one word. Then you put 2 to tell us where the chloro is. So this is 2-chloropropane. How easy is this? Very, very easy. Now we can do part B as well. Let's see what it says. It says you have this CH3, 2 of them bonded to a CH. This is now so easy. Bonded to CH2 and a CH2 and a CH3. Okay, so what do we have now? We can first we have this CH here. It has 2 carbons and a hydrogen. So we can do that. We can put the carbon here, or we can put the hydrogen here, put the carbon, and put the CH3, right? Remember what they want. They want the expanded. So yes, we can put the CH3 like this. We have to put it. And then we put the C here and the 3 H's like that as well. Then now we can put this CH2, CH2, CH3. So it now goes to a CH2, which is C and 2 hydrogens. And another one here, C and 2 hydrogens. Then it goes to a CH3. Oh my, this is so easy. And you'd be done. So now please tell us the name of this. Now, if I'm telling you the name, what are we going to do? Let's look for the longest chain first. So the longest chain, we can put it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, even if one is bending, this is still the longest chain, okay? You're allowed to, as long as you can go continuously without lifting your pen, that's a chain. So we go like this. That's a chain. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5, so you can say pentane, okay? But then on carbon, this is carbon number 1, carbon number 2. You want your substituent to have the lowest number. It can only have number 2. And this is number 3, 4, and 5. Number 2 is the lowest. So it is on the 2. And what is this? This is a methyl group. So you can say it's methyl pentane, right? But it is 2-methyl pentane. It is on the position number 2. How good is this? Wow, I know you're happy, right? Exactly. So this is 2-methyl pentane, and that is the IUPAC name because they want the structure and the name. So now let's do number C, the last one, which is C, and we'll be done. So it's going to be, we have CH3, and we have 3 of them bonded to C, then bonded to CH2. Okay, bonded to C, then bonded to CH2, right? And then we have it bonded to another CH2, and then it's bonding to a CH3. So now let's do this one. We can put it like this. We can show this carbon has 3 CH3s bonded to it. So we can put the 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Then what happens? Then it has a CH2, a CH2, and a CH3. So it has a CH2, CH2, and a CH3. So it's like, this is very nice. This is very nice. So there we go. There we go. There we go. Now here we can put 3 more hydrogens on this carbon. Remember, every carbon should have 4 bonds. Make sure. So this is bond, 1 bond. Then here we can put it and say bond, bond, bond. Now let's go ahead and let's put what we want. What do we want? We want to put its name. So it's going to be either we can go straight like this or we can bend down, whatever. I think straight is the best. Okay. So instead of going like this, it's still the same as going straight like that. Okay. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5, which makes it pentane. So we have a pentane, but we want to know what to put behind. So we can put the pentane. Let's show the pentane. Let me put it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, you have to just show the longest carbon chain. Now, what do? Let's see where the substituents are. They are on position 2 because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're both on position 2. And this is a methyl and this is a methyl again. So you can say it is 2, 2, then dash. Since there are 2 methyls, you say dimethyl. Okay? Then no space, you go on to pentane. You see how good is that? So it's 2, 2, then dimethyl pentane. Okay? Remember, when you come from numbers, you put a dash. When you're doing numbers alone, it's 2, 2, then dash. Dimethyl pentane. That is what we have, and you would be done. And we say to you, well done. Okay? And this is the last question on naming in tutorial 1. Let's go to tutorial 2, and we see the questions on naming as well. Goodbye for now.